Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the practice activity number 2 in PowerPoint. It's going to use a template. The template is going to be about making a small poster about COVID-19 situation in Oman. We are going to extract the information from this particular website so that you can see that we are going to use this website for getting our information. I will show you the website first, which will give you some information easily to understand about the situation of COVID. Like for example, there is a website COVID-19. See here, this is the website covid19.moh.gov.om. So we open it. Hopefully it's opening, but it's slow. The internet is very slow, but it's opening up. Now you see here the information is getting loaded for me. I am going to make a simple poster using the information that I am getting from here. Okay, my only focus is about Oman. I am not going to talk about GCC. I am not going to focus on the world. I am only going to focus on Oman in this website. So because you see here, it has all the data pertaining to Oman in the cases of the number of people infected with COVID in Oman. Okay, this is the website which I am going to use. But before that, let's have a look. Okay, you can use any picture from internet, you can use any color, you can put any content according to your choice. There is no such rule that you have to use only this one or this one like that. Okay, it's only the thing is that you have to going to make a poster using COVID-19. So let me open PowerPoint first. Okay, so what I first do is that I'm going to open a new file. Okay, I am just going to type a word called info financial. Okay, a poster. Okay, poster, like just type poster. You get many posters available, but I am going to use this one, the financial infographics poster. If you find it, okay. If you don't have this template, don't worry, you can use any other template that you can use. First of all, I want to write here my own idea. It's a poster which I'm making, COVID-19 in Oman. It's okay, it is a little bit bigger, we will adjust it. So what you have to do, it is 55, the font size is 55. You can select the font and make it as maybe 20, 32, 40. Okay, this is fine. So you can see here. Okay, now here you can change the information also. You can change it as it is given how to. You can change it as, okay, you can put here, maybe you just leave it like this. Go to internet, just type Oman map, okay, Oman map, okay, and just copy the image. Right click, copy the image, and then go to PowerPoint and right click, paste. Right click, paste. Okay, now I have this picture, but it is too big. What you can do is that I am making the picture resize. Can you see this one? I am resizing the picture to a very small size, and I am moving the picture here. Can you see it now here? The picture is now within the limits of this particular image. Now I don't want this text. Okay, now what I do is that, just a minute, this I will delete. Okay, now you see here I am having the image, the map of Oman, and I am writing here COVID-19 in Oman. Even this one I can make it as small letter, in Oman. Okay, in Oman, sorry, in Oman. Okay, now you have these two things. You have a map of Oman. If you want, you can just move the map, okay, and make it a little bit big also if you want. It's all up to you how you want to make it. Okay, now you see here I have make it like this for you. Okay, this is enough. Now we have the map and we have this information COVID-19 in Oman. Now it's okay. The first title is over. Now I go to the website which I opened earlier. Can you see here? Now I'm seeing here. Okay, I'm going to talk about, for example, here it's about Muscat. It's about Muscat. Okay, it's about Muscat. So I just go to Muscat, or just I will give here snapshot. Okay, 2903 confirmed, 888 recovered, and 2002 are sick. So let me use the same information here. Okay, what I do is that I go to the PowerPoint here. I just type here the situation, the situation. Okay, the situation means what is the actual fact. You can write here, for example, you can write here, okay, confirmed. Don't worry, this is very small now. Confirmed is how many? You can see from here 2903. Just type the information 2903. Okay, recovered. Don't worry, it's very small, we will make it big. Recovered 888. Sick 2002. Okay, now I don't want this picture. For example, I can delete this picture and I can take out this one. Okay, I want to add another picture. Click this icon to add a picture, or I can delete this picture. Okay, now what I do is that I can move this one a little bit down. Can you see here? This is what I can play around. I no need to have all pictures and other things. The situation. Then what I do is that I am trying to make this one a little bit bigger so that it will become more clearly seen. Okay, you can see here I can make it like this, confirm. And now you can see here I can also make this one to come in the center. I can make the font size to become a little bit bigger. Can you see now here? 14. I make it bold. Okay, I make it instead of Arial narrow, I make it like Arial. Maybe it will be more clear to see. Can you see now here the situation? Okay, now even you are not happy with this one, you can try to make it like Calibri. See, Calibri is better. You can use anything which is Arial, rounded, empty, bold. Can you see now here the situation in Oman with regard to this particular COVID-19 is here given here. Confirmed cases. Okay, confirmed cases, how many are sick and how many have recovered from that disease. Okay, that's the first point. Now here you want to change all these things. Okay, so you can remove this picture if you don't like, delete this picture. Here you can put your own words. Okay, like for example, like you can write down first you want to write some information. You can write here instead of putting savings. This is for some other theme, you are changing it. Okay, Oman COVID-19 information. Okay, and then if you don't like this one, delete that one, it will go. And you don't like this one, delete. Anything that you don't want, you just click, it will come like this and you can delete. You can see here Oman COVID-19 information. Okay, now you can see here, this is the thing. Even if you don't like this one, you can remove that one. Can you see now? Delete. Now you can move it like this. Can you see now here? You can move it like this and put it here. Can you understand? So it gives the idea. Oman COVID-19 situation. Now instead of this car, remove the car and remove this one. Okay, you don't want this one also, delete. See, you can delete everything, whichever is not needed for you, you can delete. You can change your structure according to what you like. Okay, now you can change it here like what you want to have. Muscat is highly affected by COVID-19. Okay, Now you see here it is also not very clear, so you can make this one bigger. Can you see now here Muscat is highly affected? You can just put it here like this. Okay, now you want to put another information. Muscat is highly affected. Okay, now you can write here. If you want, you can just put the same same thing. Stay at home, stay at house, stay at house. This is the thing that you want to give a message to people in the poster. Stay at home. Okay, stay at home. So you can just put it a little bit bigger. Stay at home. Okay, this is what the main thing that the government is telling everyone. Stay at home. If you don't find any reason to go out, don't go out. Stay at home. Stay at house. Okay, now you see here stay at house. So now you can see here Muscat. I want to make it also a little bit. I want everything to come within this box. I don't want anything to come, okay, out of the box. Muscat is highly affected by COVID-19. You want to put this one here. Okay, and then you want to add another text box also. You can add here, insert, you can add a text box. Just you can add a text box here, and you can put here facts. You can type here facts. You see the color is red. You want, you can change it as black. It's black, okay, or any other color, whichever the color you like. Okay, red or black or blue, whatever. Okay, and you can change the thing to make it as center and make it as bold, make it as 24 like this. Now you can see here, you can make it move like this, facts. Okay, then you can write here Muscat is highly affected. You can just put like this, and stay at home. Then you can write here something like this. Okay, another message you can write here. You can write here. Now what you have to write. Okay, clean your hands frequently. But you don't see the things very clearly now here. You can see here, make it big because it's very small. Go for Arial rounded empty bold and make it as 12 or maybe 16. Okay, clean your hands or wash. It's not cleaning, it's wash your hands. Wash, wash, W-A-S-H, wash your hands, W-Y-O-U-R. Wash your hands frequently. That's the first thing that you want to put it here in health. Can you see now here, stay at house, wash your hands frequently. Facts, Muscat is highly affected by COVID-19. Okay, now you want to write here some more things. Now you see all these four things are over here. Now I want to write here something like here, please contact any hospital, government hospital in case of any symptoms. You know symptoms, symptoms, symptoms. Okay, don't worry, I will make it big. So please contact. So again I am selecting this one. This is very small because of what? The size. Make it like this. Size is 12. Now you can see here, please contact any government hospitals, but it is not fitting very well. Make it like this. Make it a little bit big. It's a poster. You know what do you mean by poster? You are giving some information using this poster to the people. This is like a ministry's poster to the people, because they want the people to get awareness about what is the situation, why they should be very careful. All these things the government wants to put. Please contact. Now you see it looks very small, but you see when you are going to run it as a slideshow, you will see it in this way, bigger way. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, so you can go contact any government hospital if in case of any symptoms. Okay, now you want to write here symptoms. See, just right here, symptoms. Okay, even if you want to change phone, or you can put here contact. You can write here contact any government hospital if you have any problem. Symptoms. In the symptoms, you write here, very simple. Number 1, fever. Number 2, write throat, difficulty in breathing. I'm not writing more, I'm just giving the idea only. Okay, see, fever, difficulty in breathing. There are many symptoms, it can be there, but I'm just using these two for you to understand. Okay, and then I want to make it center. I want the size to become 12. Okay, now I write this two. Difficulty in breathing spelling is not correct, so that's why it is showing red. I don't want even the numbers, I remove the numbers. Fever and difficulty in breathing. Okay, now even if I don't feel it's okay, I can make it little bit bigger so that it can be accommodated. Can you see now here? See, now I make it little bit big for you to see it in a very clear way. Fever and difficulty in breathing. If these two things are there, that means you have to contact the government hospital. So now the facts are given to you. Stay at home, okay, and wash your hands frequently. This is very important. And then contact the government hospital. What are the symptoms that people may face? Is this one, difficulty in breathing. Okay, and then there is one thing that, okay, expectations. Expectation means what? Or expectation. What is the expectation? Okay, strictly social distancing. I want right here social distancing. You know what is social distancing? Giving 2-meter distance between one another when you are in any place. Social distancing. And okay, social distancing. Social distancing means you don't go near to anybody and you are expected to wear masks. Social distancing. I will only put one. Okay, fever and this one, social distancing. And I think even I will use the same one, bold, social distancing, and I will try to make it adjustable like this. You can see here. Now you can adjust it according to your wish here. Okay, now you are okay, fine. Now you can see here fever, it is also clear. Now this one looks little small. If you want, you can make it big. 14, give 14 and check. Okay, 14 is better. Okay, the symptoms are fever and okay, I just put it here, fever and difficulty in breathing, social distancing. The last one is what? Expectation. Last one is what? It's actually about a company. Okay, I'm using this poster to develop for the COVID situation. I'm writing it here. Now for example, what? Say expectation, social distancing, and important, avoid gatherings in Ramadan for iftar, because you know we always have a habit of giving iftar parties for people so that we are able to serve the people. So but at this point it is not a good idea because of COVID-19. So avoid. Okay, avoid. Okay, now I try to make it bigger also. I go to this one. Okay, I try to write here, avoid gatherings in Ramadan for iftar. Iftar spelling R. No iftar gatherings. Okay, because we know that we are always happy to see people during Ramadan and give them meet them during iftar. It's a good way to meet people and also to be in touch with them and also to make good social contacts. So some information. Okay, you can see here, these are some information which I wanted to put. Now you can see I want to make it a little bit bigger. I can make it like this. I can make it like bigger like this. I can make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, if I want I can extend it like this. Can you see now? Okay. Now this is the something that I have put. So now almost I want to check how it will look like when the poster is going to be printed. When the poster is going to be printed, it is going to look like this. COVID-19 in Oman. So this is going to be like information by government of Oman to the people. Muscat is highly affected. So Muscat people have to be more careful than other regions because nearly 50% of the cases are from Muscat. Okay. Stay at home, wash your hands frequently. That's very important aspect from the health point of view. Or you can write here precautions. Okay. I can say here stay at home, or you can write here. See, I will just write it here. If you want, I will write it here as precaution. Pre means what you have to do. Precaution. Okay, and I can even copy the same thing. Copy, and I will paste it here. So I will paste it. Not here. I will paste it here. Maybe paste. Okay, precaution. I want to put it here also. Precaution. What are the precaution you have to do? Precaution 1, precaution 2, stay at home. Precaution. Okay, what is expected, what is important, what are the symptoms, what you have to do for contact. And I think if you are not happy with this map, okay, what I will do is that I will do something else also. You see here, I can use many information from this website, but now I just use only some information from here. What I can do is that I will print this image. Can you see this one image? I will try to print this image like here. Print screen. I print the screen. I am opening a paintbrush. Okay, I paste my image here. Okay, see, I want to show the map like how I see here. Now what I do is that I select rectangle. Okay, I just want to select. Okay, wait a minute, it's not clear. Okay, I want to paste. Now what I do is that I want to paste the, wait a minute, new, let me open new one, don't save. Okay, paste. Now I have this one. What I want to do is that I want to select from here. Okay, I want to select the image from here to here. This is what I want. I want only the image from here to here, which will cover the entire Oman. Then I give what? Crop. All the other images are gone. Crop. Okay. Now what I do is that, is this image okay? I think it's fine. Still, if you want, you can cut the image. You want to reduce the image? Yes, you can cut the image. Rectangular selection. Okay, I think it's too big to show this image also. Okay, I will only have this much image, for example. Can you see now? Okay, you can cut like this. I'm just showing you how to do it. Crop. Now you only see this part. The Arabian Peninsula with Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UAE, Yemen, everything is seen. It's okay to see some part, but if you still want to cut it, you can do it. Okay, you can choose rectangular selection. Okay, I will just select rectangular selection, and okay, just a moment, select rectangular selection. Maybe I will go from here. Further I cut the image small. Can you see now here? Only this much I want. I go and give crop. I think this image is fair enough. So now what I do is that I cut this image. Okay, I want to cut this image. Okay, but before that, let me select, because the image is not selected. Select all. Select all. I cut. Now the image is cut. Now what I do, I go to the poster. I give here paste the image. See, the image is pasted here. So now what I will do is that I will just make this image minimized. Okay, I will make this image minimized, and you will see the image here like this. Okay, like this. You want to put it here in the top. Okay, but it is not very, it's overlapping. So what you can do is that you can try to make it, move it according to the size that you would like to see. COVID-19 in Oman. Can you see now? Okay, the image is little bit okay now. Now even you can see that the text can be moved if you want. COVID-19 in Oman. This picture is there, and now you want to add one more picture about coronavirus. For example, you can go to internet and you can go and search. Okay, you want to change like the theme coronavirus. Just type, and then you can type for image. Type for the image. Okay, this is the image of corona. Right click, copy the image, go to PowerPoint. Just you can paste the image. See here, the image is posted here. Now you want to post this image, put it here. See that this is the image. Okay, you want to put it here, and you want to put the same image here, the right side. Okay, copy and paste. Now what I do, I choose the picture. Can you see now here? I can open it. I'm just trying to put a shape, or I can try to put an image which I feel is good for me to have, like this corona. Then I add this one corona like this. Can you see now here? This is corona poster. Now the poster is ready. Okay, now you can see, if you want, you can add picture, you can change the information. Now the poster is ready. I will save the file, save as. I am going to save it in desktop, and then what I do, I just type COVID-19 in Oman. I give here practice activity 2. I give here it as practice activity 2. Now it is saved. Now what I want to do is that I want to run this slideshow. See now, this is how the poster will look like. When I will print, you will see this one. Maybe you will not see some part of this one here down, because I make my screen small when I make the recording, but it will appear like this when you are going to have, it's only one page poster. Okay, this is what the way how you can make poster in PowerPoint. I hope it's clear for you and you can follow this idea. It will give you some information about this one. Is this clear? Now again I save the file, and thank you for listening to the class. Hopefully you will do the activity number 3, which is a homework, and also activity number 5, which is a homework. If there's a time available for us, we will actually discuss about activity 4 in the class. Thank you for listening to my class. See you then. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.